In this lecture, you will learn what prompt engineering is while working on a simple example. Although the word engineering might sound sophisticated and something complex, prompt engineering is simply guiding the model with carefully designed prompts to produce the desired output. Two key principles of prompt engineering are using appropriate action verbs and giving detailed and precise instructions. Here are some examples of action verbs that we should and shouldn't be using. Write, complete, explain, describe, evaluate are the kind of verbs we should be using, and we should not be using understand, think, feel, try, know to start our prompts. That will confuse the model. So along with these prompts, to give detailed and precise instructions, there are 4 things we can follow. Provide the model with a context it is working in, who the target audience are while generating the output, the style and format of the output, and last but not the least, the length of the output. These 4 will make a very good prompt. So remember, using proper action verbs along with these 4 guidelines whenever you are writing a prompt. Let's work on a very simple example. Go back to ChatGPT, open up a new chat window and ask it to explain what AI is. Explain is the verb what AI is, or what is AI if you want to be grammatically even more correct. Send, and it will generate a ton of text here explaining what AI is in detail. So this is the very basic prompt we are passing here. You can make this prompt better by copying the previous prompt, and in addition to this, in 4 sentences. So now we are asking it to generate the output. It is much more compact, and we are providing the output length 4 sentences. We haven't specified any style, and we are yet to provide an audience and the context. So let's go back. You can further make it better. Paste the prompt, explain what AI is in 3 bullet points. So here we are using an exact format as well. I want the response in 3 bullet points. So this is how you can play around with style and format, and also the output length. We are limiting it to just 3 sentences here. Now copy the previous prompt, and let's add the audience as well to a second grader. Now this explanation here will be different from the earlier explanation, and it will be much more basic. AI is like a computer brain that helps machine think and learn, so that a second grader can understand it. And to provide the context to the model, the very first sentence in your prompt can be, you are a data scientist or an AI engineer, whatever role you want the model to play. You can specify that right at the beginning to provide it with even more context, and then you can copy the above prompt, paste it. Explain what AI is in 3 bullet points to a second grader. Send, and it makes it even more better. So here we have a context. We are specifying the audience, which is the second grader. Then we have also specified the style and format of the output, and also the output length, which is just 3 bullet points. So any prompt you are creating, make sure at least the following minimum, having these 4 in the prompt along with good action verbs. Then apply all the common sense that is required to make the prompt as detailed and as precise as possible. It's just like communicating with another intelligent human being.